Okay, y'all, what's up? I am back. I have not stretched in like 4 days, to be honest with you. So I'm really, really looking forward to the stretch we got coming up today. Of course, for the sake of time, I'm going to edit it down. But this stretch is going to be like 30 minutes today, and I'm doing a middle split stretch. So I'm about to work these thighs and these legs and these hamstrings and these hip flexors. So let's get ready to stretch, y'all. Y'all already know what it is.
Place your left hand on the floor in front of your left shin and turn to the right. Pull with your right hand and push with your left hand as you twist, looking over your exhale when you bend yourself slightly.
I just pulled my thigh.
Spending all your money on me and spending time on me. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Got it. Own it. I know you want it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Got it. Flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around you, watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. I know you want it. Come over and check up on it. Come over and check up on it. Come over and check up on it.
Woo, this sunlight is making me hot.
Make sure
just a jump is a trouble and me and a man just a couple and a cuddle boom. Pat the body head and me we bust it like a bubble and you know what me boom boom. Pat the body me a wine and a boom 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 boom. Happy body just a jump and a boom 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 boom. Wine pat the body and a sit down pat the bed. Boom boom so tight some man now fi cheat. Phone take a picture yeah that you fit tweet. Tell them y'all them white yeah them careful. Come ya play it and a catch it on the beat. Me just a drop it home me twerk it and a slap it on the gong like me a map it. Me stuck it and a pop it and a wine it and a lap it. Take a picture you fi snap it Facebook it but scrap it. Yes I saw me like it. Bring your body come and make me ride it. Ride it like fine. Me a bust a wine. Four legs together to a we a combine. Tear out me grinding, me back broke me spine. Can no girl can't do them a wine with me design. Skin out me pum pum. On the body me a wine and a bum 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 bum. Happy party does a jump and a bum 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 bum. Wine on the body and I sit down on the bed. Pum pum so tight for my man now fi cheat. Phone take a picture, yeah, that you fit tweet. Tell them girl them what, yeah, them careful. Come here, it and I catch it on the beat. Me just a drop it, how me twerk it and I slap it on the room like me a map it. Go me stuck it and I pop it and I wine it and I lap it. Take a picture, you fi snap it, Facebook it, but crap it. Yes, I saw me like it. Bring your body, come and let me ride it. Ride it like a bike it. Cock up and I sit down and I wine it. Yes, I saw me like it. Bring your body, come and let me ride it. Ride it like a bike it. Cock up and I sit down and I wine it. On the baseline, on the baseline, me a bust a wine. On the baseline, on the baseline, line.
Ooh, that was difficult. I ain't gonna lie, that was very, very difficult. Oh Lord. Okay.
Your turn to center.
But you fighting too long. Had you been looking for some? Oh Lord, thought with on me, I keep running back for so long. You know I be that right slow. Let me like bro, baby I slow. Turn your light slow. Oh baby, oh, who you gon' let me know? No, 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 no. You gon' make me feel like the heat, babe. You coming by me like you don't even talk that easy. Bringing heat, babe. See how sleep, yeah. Everyone on this earth sleep. Ooh.
Getting hot with this long sleeve shirt on. But we're like halfway there.
Make this make sense. Say it, save me.
With your knee to the side.
I have to hold on to the wall because my balance is not there yet.
Let me take it, just say it, lay it and shake it. Let's just make it, yeah. Oh, don't ask what you do that. You come and feel up on me, don't gas. Ain't even sitting silent to me, it's true facts. You know I be that right slow. Let me like bro, baby I slow. Turn your lights low. Oh baby, oh, who you gon' let me know? Let me know. You gon' make me feel like the heat, baby. You coming by me like you don't even talk that easy. Bringing heat, baby. See how sleep.
The goal is to eventually have the front knee open to 90 degrees.
Oh no. Let's see what I can do. This is a challenge.
Make it, yeah. Oh.
If this is uncomfortable, place a block or a pillow underneath your front hip.
She said if it's
To release any pressure on your back knee, you can also place a pillow there. The goal is to eventually have the front knee open to 90 degrees.
They say and you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now.
My poor knees. These auntie knees, okay? Whew. Okay.
Perform
Fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart.
I need pillows under my knees. Hold on, let me get an extra pillow. Whew, okay. Got me a nice thick pillow. I don't know what kind of bungee cord knees she got, but I definitely don't got them. We gonna get there though.
Trust from the distance. I think we should rule out the limit for now, cause we're falling apart.
and both inner arches are
Wait,
pointed down towards the floor.
Block under my thigh.
If the stretch feels too to sink towards the floor, to feel a stretch in the hips and adductors or inner thighs.
Oh my god, that feels so much better. It still hurt, but it feel a lot better. Ooh. My ego wants to tell me that I don't need it, but this does help you get deeper into the stretch without it hurting.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm worth more than you could manage, yeah. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me signs. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time, so just be. If I was you, take for granted, yeah. Cause with me, you could do damage. You could do damage. You do damage, yeah. Worry about it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only get me if I let you.